Artwork fly. Want to paint an easy tree? No problem, here we go. Today we are going to learn how to paint an easy bamboo tree. Obviously there's many ways that you can do it, but this is one of the easiest way possible. What you're going to do is to use a flathead paintbrush, make a stroke down and separate each joint as you go down. To finish it off, create leaves near to the edge of the joints by flicking the paintbrush. Press on the tip of the paintbrush to create a wide base for the leaves and quickly ease up to create a gradually narrow tip. You can then go ahead and add in some light, or you can just leave it as is. One of the best ways to paint the bamboo trees are in clusters. And that's art in less than 5 minutes, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.